Hi, I'm Taylor with Tri-State Waterworks. Today we're going to talk about the difference between our Plus versus Basic program. The Plus and Basic program both include automatic scheduling, so you never have to remember to call in for a good date for your maintenance services. They also both include a spring startup and a winterization in October or November. The Plus program also includes a summer inspection visit. That's where we come out in July or August and run through all the zones on your system to make sure it's in tip-top shape before it gets hot. It's also a good time to find small problems before they become big ones. Plus program customers also receive priority scheduling for repairs, meaning if something goes wrong, you're not left waiting for the repair to be made. Plus program customers are also guaranteed to receive the lowest rates on all yearly maintenance services. The Plus program is a great option because with the Basic, we're only seeing your system at the start and end of the year, meaning if there's something wrong and you don't know about it, it's going to be set untouched all year, and then at startup, you're going to start your season with an issue. With the Plus program, we can take care of that issue so your system's running smoothly all year long. Now's a great time to get signed up for the Plus program. Our schedules are filling up quickly, so give us a call or email so you can get on the list for service.